Here is how you can unblock text messages from unknown numbers on Android. Let me guide you through it. If you're new here, subscribe to Foxtecc and we can get started. So on the Android, we naturally have the ability to choose our favorite or a default messaging app. In my case, I have pre-installed the Samsung messages right here, as well as Google Messages. They are both called that, but they have different icon, right? So the point is that those might have different features. And yeah, I actually prefer to use this one, which is made by Google. And inside in here, I can just browse the the chats and everything. Normally I have some emails, whatever. The text messages, but I can click on my account right here on the profile picture, like this, and proceed to the settings, but specifically for this messages app. So when I click on it like this, I can manage stuff like notifications and so on. But one of the features is, or sections is, protection and safety, like this. And there is the toggle to enable spam protection, which is exactly what you are talking about, right? So if there are unknown numbers and potential scams or some spam messages, if you have this enabled, the system is going to prevent those messages to be delivered to you. You would still be able to read them because you have the ability to kind of like check out those messages still, right? So if you go in there, go to your profile, you can see the spam and blocked messages. So if you ever receive anything, you can always check it out. It's not like it's going to be gone forever, but it's just not going to be part of the main list, distracting you from the conversations which actually matter. So that is how I would personally approach it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.